Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In this video, learn how to set up the Zyxel WE3300-00 BE7200 2.5G mesh extender using the manual web browser method. Setting up the Zyxel WE3300-00 BE7200 2.5G mesh extender doesn't have to be difficult. In this video, we'll explain the manual setup process step by step so even beginners can follow along easily. This tutorial covers the complete process from connecting the extender and opening the web configuration page to connecting it with your existing Wi-Fi network. So let's start the video. Firstly, plug the WE3300-00 into a power outlet close to your main router. Wait until the extender finishes booting. Keep your phone or computer close to the extender. If you have an Ethernet cable, you can connect a computer directly to one of the extender's 2.5G BE LAN ports for a more reliable initial configuration. The WE3300-00 has two 2.5G BE LAN ports. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the extender's default network, which will be named something like Zyxel_XXXX. Check the label on your device for the exact SSID name. Open any web browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. In the address bar, type the default IP address, 192.168.1.2. Press Enter. The extender login page will appear. Enter the default username and password, check the extender label if needed. Click Login to access the setup interface. The Zyxel web setup wizard will now guide you. Click Start or Next to begin. The extender will scan for available Wi-Fi networks nearby. From the list of networks shown, select your home Wi-Fi router's network, SSID. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Optionally, you can keep the same SSID for the extender or create a different one like home Wi-Fi_ext. Click Apply or Finish to save settings. The extender will restart and connect to your main router. Wait a couple of minutes for the LED to turn solid green or blue, indicating a successful connection. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.